Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the Freewing F-22 Raptor High Performance. It's not the Ultra Performance, it's the High Performance. This is the 6S. I'm running a Lapierre 5000 6S, running in my high rates. High rates for me are 90% over 20% expo, all the way around. All right, go down here, the other end of the runway. Okay. Got the fire booty installed. I gotta get out of the habit of saying fire booty. That's actually a brand. It's the FMS. It's the Motion RC Universal afterburner. Okay, takeoff flaps are in. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Here we go. Boy, you can see that afterburner. About half throttle right now.
3 minutes. Gear down. Landing flaps.
You have to remember that gear take a while. So you have to land accordingly. Not bad. All right, go out here. All right, she's supposed to have grass capable gear. So let's take off.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Nope. That grass is just too thick. It is, it's just too thick. All right, here we go.
Gear up. Flaps up. Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, I see my gears all the way down. Oh yeah, that's much better. Oh, that's the best landing I've had yet with this plane.
Flaps up.
All right, we're going to go up one more time here. I think my takeoff flaps need to come down a little bit more. All right, here we go.
Takeoff flaps. seconds. Landing flaps. 20 seconds.
Whoa! That's how I hurt my wingtip last time. All right, let's check the battery and see if we've got enough for one more.
Flaps up.
So I get more confident with her. I'm still nervous, so you want to stay nervous because that keeps you frosty. See how much battery life we've got. No, 30%. So I'm not going to push it any further. Probably could, but I'm not going to. I'd rather err on the side of caution. See how my wingtip's okay there. And I didn't, that's just a little bit scuffing. Okay, so everything's good. I absolutely love the fire burner, afterburner. And don't forget, like I said, the gear is sequenced. Okay, you'll pay attention to how long that takes. Okay, because you're flying around, you're wanting to approach for landing. You have to allow gears down or coming down. So you have to allow for that, how much time it's going to take you. Great flying bird. Every time I fly this plane, this is the 5th flight. I think that was the 5th flight ever. And more confident with it. Absolutely love it. And like BD Tennessee told me, he says, the more you fly it, the more you're going to love it. Well, truer words have never been spoken. Was super nervous with it, but now I'm getting to where, yeah, I'm starting to really enjoy it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And folks, that is the Freewing F-22 Raptor High Performance. Not Ultra Performance, the High Performance. Runs on a 6S. God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then Raptors.